How to create Cash App account. Hello everybody. If you're wondering how you can do it, you may follow up these steps. So for that, you may open up your Cash App application, go ahead and download it and open it up. And then once you open it up, you should be finding a sign-in page. So you can either create your account using your phone number or your email address. For now, let's head over with the email address section option. So first thing is you need to enter up your email address. Just go ahead and type in your email address. After that, tap on next. Once tapped on next, you will be receiving a code on your email address. Just go ahead and enter up the confirmation code right here. After that, tap on next from the screen. Once that is done, you need to add a bank using a debit card. So since your Cash App won't have any kind of money, in order to add cash, first thing is you need to enter up a debit card number, it's a zip code and everything they are asking for, and tap on link card. Otherwise, you can also skip if you want. Once that is done, on the next step, you need to enter up your legal name. So just go ahead and enter up your first name, after that your last name, and then tap on next. And then once that is done, you need to enter up your date of birth and tap on next again. Once done, you need to enter up a cash tag. So go ahead and choose up a cash tag for yourself that will be used for getting paid for by anyone. So go ahead and tap on next after that. And once that is done, you need to enter up your zip code again and tap on next. And you need to choose up a cash pin as a backup for your